Imagine waking up beside a peaceful lake, the sun slowly rising over the mountains. You slide open the door of your motorhome, step outside with a hot cup of coffee, and the entire world feels like your backyard. No hotel check-ins, no strict travel plans, just the open road, and your home moving with you. Now picture doing all of that in a motorhome that combines Italian style, clever space design, and the trusted engineering of Rapido. Today, we're taking a close look at the Giottiline Siena 322 Privilege by Rapido, a motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort, practicality, and a touch of luxury on every journey, from the smart exterior design to the cozy interior layout, and the features that make long road trips feel effortless. This motorhome has a lot to offer. So let's explore what makes the Siena 322 Privilege such a compelling choice for motorhome lovers. The first thing you notice about the Giottiline Siena 322 Privilege is its clean modern European styling. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, this motorhome already starts with a strong foundation known for smooth driving and dependable performance. At the front, the design feels sleek and contemporary. The bold grille, large windshield, and aerodynamic body give it a confident presence on the road. Moving to the side, you'll notice the elegant graphics and balanced proportions that make the Siena 322 look both sporty and sophisticated. The large windows aren't just for looks. They bring in plenty of natural light inside the motorhome, creating a bright and welcoming living space. Storage is another strong point. Multiple exterior compartments allow you to easily carry travel essentials like outdoor chairs, camping gear, bikes, and luggage for travelers who enjoy long adventures. This kind of practical storage makes a big difference, and thanks to its well-designed body size, the Siena 322 remains easy to drive and maneuver, even for those new to motorhome travel. Step inside the Siena 322 Privilege and you immediately notice the warm and inviting atmosphere. The interior design follows a modern European style with clean lines, soft colors, and smart use of space. At the front of the motorhome, you'll find the comfortable lounge and dining area. The driver and passenger seats swivel around, turning the cabin into part of the living space. This simple feature instantly creates a larger social area, where everyone can sit together. The dining table sits perfectly in the center, making it ideal for meals, conversations, or planning the next destination on your road trip. Right next to the living area, the kitchen is designed to be compact but very functional. You get a modern gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and enough counter space to prepare simple meals on the road above and below the countertop. There are multiple cabinets and drawers for storing utensils, groceries, and cooking essentials. A good-sized refrigerator ensures you can keep food fresh for longer trips. Everything in this kitchen is placed carefully to maximize space while still making cooking easy and convenient, whether you're preparing breakfast before a day of sightseeing or cooking dinner at a campsite. The kitchen area is designed to handle it comfortably. A good motorhome must provide a comfortable place to rest, and the Siena 322 Privilege does exactly that. At the rear of the motorhome, you'll find the main sleeping area designed for relaxation and privacy. Depending on the layout configuration, the Siena 322 offers comfortable twin beds or a spacious double bed setup, giving travelers flexibility based on their needs. The mattresses are thoughtfully designed to provide proper support, helping you enjoy a deep and restful sleep after a long day on the road. Overhead cabinets provide convenient storage for clothes and personal items, keeping the bedroom space neat, organized, and clutter-free. Soft reading lights and carefully placed ambient lighting create a calm and peaceful atmosphere, perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. It's the kind of cozy space where you can relax, recharge, and wake up refreshed, ready for the next adventure waiting just outside your door. Even in a compact motorhome, comfort and convenience matter, especially when it comes to the bathroom. The Siena 322 Privilege includes a well-designed bathroom with all the essential features. You get a toilet, sink, mirror, and a separate shower space, allowing travelers to stay fresh during long journeys. The clever layout ensures the bathroom feels practical, without taking up too much space inside the motorhome smart. Storage compartments help keep toiletries organized and easy to access for road travelers. Having this level of convenience means you can explore remote locations without worrying about nearby facilities. Since the Siena 322 Privilege is built on the Fiat Ducato platform, drivers benefit from one of the most trusted motorhome chassis in Europe. The driving experience feels stable, smooth, and surprisingly easy for a vehicle of this size. The driver's cabin includes modern features like comfortable adjustable seats, clear dashboard controls, advanced safety features, and excellent visibility through the large windshield, even on longer drives. The motorhome remains comfortable and manageable. This combination of performance, reliability, and driving comfort is one reason many travelers prefer motorhomes built on the Ducato chassis. So what really makes the Giottiline Siena 322 Privilege by Rapido stand out? First, it offers a balanced combination of comfort and practicality. It's spacious enough to feel comfortable during long trips, yet compact enough to remain easy to drive and park. Second, the interior design feels modern and welcoming, creating a space that truly feels like home. And finally, the backing of Rapido's engineering reputation adds confidence in build quality and reliability. For couples or small families looking for a well-designed travel companion, the Siena 322 Privilege delivers an excellent mix of features and value. Now, we'd love to hear from you if you were planning a road trip across Europe, or even a cross-country adventure. Would you choose the Giottiline Siena 322 Privilege for your travels? Or do you prefer a larger luxury motorhome? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and tell us what your dream travel destination with a motorhome would be. At the end of the day, motorhome travel is about freedom to explore new places, freedom to wake up with a different view every morning, and freedom to turn every road into part of your adventure. The Giottiline Siena 322 Privilege by Rapido captures that spirit perfectly with its stylish exterior, cozy interior, practical features, and dependable driving platform. It's a motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort without sacrificing mobility. Whether you're planning weekend escapes, scenic road trips, or long journeys across countries, this motorhome is ready for the adventure. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next motorhome showcase. And until next time, keep exploring, keep traveling, and keep chasing the open road.